Okay, today we are working about the our second exercise.
Yes, sir.
Second exercise, draw the graph. So basically, today the graphical representation of the cubic equation. How we can draw the graph of the cubic equations. Look at it here. This is our equation from y is equal to what? This is equal to x cube minus 5 of x square plus 2 of x plus 8. Okay, here we are making the our table like this one. So this is our x, this is our y. You know, when we are setting our 0, x is equal to 0, 8 is 0, this is 0, this is a.
Sir, your voice is going up and down, so I can't hear you.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, now we are setting our x is equal to 0, this gives us 8. When we are setting 1, look at it here, this is the 1. Here I'm taking drawing for some rough sketch. 1, this is minus 5, and this is plus 2, this is plus of 8. Look at it here, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 minus 5, this gives us 6. So we are moving, we are putting x is equal to 2, so 2 power 3, this is 8, minus 2 power 2, this is 4, 4 multiplied by 5, this is 20, plus 8 plus 8. So look at it here. This is 8 plus 8. This is 16 minus 16 plus 8. This is 24. This gives us the plus 4. Look at
Yeah.
it. Then we are setting 3. So we are taking some sketch. 3 cube minus 5 into 3 of square plus 2 into 3 plus 8. So this gives us 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 9 multiplied by 3, this gives us 27 minus 3 multiplied by 9. This is 45 plus 6 plus 8. So this is the 27. If we add all plus term. So 27 plus 6, this is the 33. 33 plus 8 is equal to 41, and 41 minus 45, this gives us the minus 4. This is the minus 4.
Yeah.
Now we are checking from the negative side. Look at it here. We are checking from the negative side. So we are put minus 1. When we are setting minus 1, so this is the minus 1 power cube plus 5 into minus 1 of square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 8. So this is 1, this is minus 5, this is minus 2, this is plus 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 minus 7, this gives us 9 minus 7 gives us 2. Now we are setting
Yeah.
minus 2. Look at it here. This is the minus 2 of cube, and this is 5 into minus 2 of square plus 2 into minus 2 plus 8. So this is minus 2 power cube. It's mean we have the minus of 8. It means we have the minus of 8. And you know, minus 2 of the square, this is plus 4, but minus 5 with the multiply, this is the minus 20. And this is minus 4. This is plus of 8. Look at it here. This is the plus 8 and minus is cancelled to each other. So this gives us the minus of the 24.
Yeah.
And now we are checking from the minus 3. So here we are putting our minus 3. This is the minus 3 power cube. This is minus 5 into minus 3 power square. This is 2 into minus 3 plus 8. So this is 3 power 3. This is the minus 27. And you know, this is the plus 9. And plus 9 is multiplied by with 5 minus. This is minus 45. And this is the minus of 6 plus 8. So 27 and 45. Can you check it with the help of calculator, please?
Yes, sir. Minus 27, minus 45, minus 6 plus 8.
7, I think so.
Minus 70.
Minus
70.
this is minus 70.
Wait, if you're only going to do that, it's minus 78 plus 8, which is minus 70.
Minus 78. This is
Minus 70, sir.
70.
Minus 27, minus 45, minus 6 is minus 78. But then minus 78 plus 8 is minus 70.
Like this one.
Yes.
Okay. So this is minus 70. So we are checking. This is the minus 70. Look at it here. This is the minus of 70. So here, first of all, draw the graph of this one equation. So we are drawing our graphical representation. This is the same procedure for we are doing in previous chapters. For the chapter 2 is quadratic equation, where we are also draw the graphs of that one functions. So look at it here. This is
Yes.
the same procedure. We are setting x is equal to 0, it gives us the 8. So x is 0 and y is equal to 8. This is our point. Suppose that. And when we are setting x is equal to 1, we got y is equal to 6. So this is the 1 and this is the, suppose that this is our point is 1 and 6. And when we are setting 2 and 4, it gives us the 4. And this is 2,
Yeah.
this is the 4. And when x is equal to 3, this is 3, and y is equal to minus 4. Look at it here. This is the minus of 4. And when we are setting x is equal to minus 1, it gives us y is equal to positive 2. So this is the minus 1 and this is the minus of 2. I know my graph is not accurate because I have now no graphic.
Yeah, not the graph paper. Yes.
Yes, but for the concept, for your understanding, I'm trying to make the graph. So when
Yes.
x is equal to minus 2, it gives us y is equal to minus 24. So this is the minus 2, and we are moving to the downward of the y-axis. This is our 24. Look at it. And same for the minus 3. This is minus 3, and this is our maybe too much down point. This is at here. When we are
Yeah.
meet this point from this one to this one, and from this one to this one, and after this. So our graph is like something like this type of, and check at it here. The graph will touch at this one point, along y-axis at this point, along x-axis this is, and also along the x-axis this is the touches these points. So with the help of this one, we are saying that our graph is, we are drawing the graph, and with the help of this one, we can say that this is our graph can be touched at this point. Okay, now we are moving to the our second one point. Second one point is what? We hence solve the equation. Hence solve the equation. So our equation is what? This is, again I'm writing x cube minus 5 of x square plus 2 of x plus, look at here, x square is common from this side, so this is the x minus 5, and look at it here. If we are taking plus 2 is common, this is the x plus 4 is equal to 0. So from the here, look at it here, many students can be confused and can take this one mistake. From this one, check at it here, we are at the wrong point. Why? Look at it here. This pair and this pair is not accurate, not same. When we are going to from the factorizations, and inner part factors are the same or common. Are same. After this, we can take these in. This can be the common. Got it?
Yeah.
So What about this one? We can solve this one equation. We are already discussed about the graphical representation, graphical behavior in the second chapter for the quadratic functions. So on the behalf of
Yes.
this one, look at it here. Our x-axis point is what? Our x-axis point is what? This one. Here the function can be the touch at the x-axis point, also the at this point, also at this point. So we are writing these point, and we are saying that our function is intersects or cross at this point from the x-axis line, or from the here, from here. Look at it here. From negative side we have the 1 point, from the positive side this and this, and also along the y-axis we can see that these points. So this is the solution of that one equation. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm moving to the next one part of okay. Draw the graph and hence solve the equation. Same for the previous one. Here I'm give you the some little bit clue points. You can also solve it. This is y is equal to 2 of x cube minus 7x square plus 2 of x plus 3. So from the here, this is our x, this is our y, and when we are setting 0, this gives us a 3. And same for you are putting 1, also for the 2, and same for the 3. After this, you are putting minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Got it?
Yes.
So after this, you have the from this one, you have the order pair. Then you can draw the graphical representation, or you make the graph of like this one, where this is side of the x-axis is positive, and this side of y is positive, and this side of x-axis is negative, and this side of y is negative, and you can draw the points on these points and hence solve the equation. So look at it here. We are checking with the help of the factorizations is our factors are okay or not. Otherwise we are totally dependent on our uh, graphs, where the function can be the touch at the x-axis, at the y-axis, and we told these points, and these are the solutions. Okay, so check it here. Here we have the x square is common, so this is the 2 of x minus 7. And here if we are taking 1 is common, this is the 2 of x plus 3. Look at it here. This is the 2 of x minus 7. This is, so that's why this is not okay. So hence solve these equation. When you draw the graphs, you can check that points where the our x-axis can where the our equation can be the touches at x-axis, and you can prominent these points, and you are saying that these are the solution of that one equation. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm moving to the next one problems. Look at it here. Uh, okay. Show that x is equal to is the root of the equation, and hence solve the equation. Sketch the graph. Look at it here. Our function is what? Suppose that I'm writing let y is equal to l- let y is equal to x cube minus 3 of x square minus 4 of x plus 12 is equal to 0. Suppose that here we are putting this is this is y is equal to always this is equal to f of x. So here x is equal to 2. So I'm replacing f of 2 is equal to this is the 2 power 3 minus 3 into 2 power 2. This is the 4 into 2 plus 12. And check it here. This is the 8, and this is the 2 power 2, 4, 4 minus 12. This is minus 8. This is plus 12. Check it here. This is minus 8 plus 8 is cancelled, minus 12 and plus 12 is cancelled. This is equal to 0. So from this one, this equation is all equal to 0 when we are setting x equal to. So from here, what we are saying that x is equal to 2 is the root of that one equation, because when we are putting x is 2 or we are replacing
then it is making sense because then the answer will be 0.
0. So this is the okay. And same for you are it's asking for the graph, and you are also make like this one table after this, where when you are setting 0, this gives us 0 0 0. This is the 12, and here you are setting 1, and after this you are setting 2, and after this you are setting 3, and then -1 -2. After this you are setting -3. Okay. Can you
Yeah.
got it?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Now I'm moving to the our next one problems. So given that f of x, this one shows that x minus 3 is the factor of the f of x, and solve the equation f of x is equal to 0. So look at it here. Our function is what? F of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 10 of x plus 12 plus 12. So look at it here. The f of x is 0. So on the behalf of this one, can I write like this? Because our f of x is equal to 0. Got it? Show that x
Yeah.
minus 3 is the factor of this one. So here, I'm replacing x minus 3 is equal to 0, and you know, when we are setting this is minus 3 is going to the other side, this is x is equal to 3, and now we are replacing x is equal to 3, because you know, we are moving to the our factor theorem, and our factor theorem is what? X minus a is equal to 0, and we are setting minus t, a is moving to the other side, so x is equal to a, and here in this sense we are making this one x is 3. So we are replacing f of 3 is equal to f of 3 is equal to, this is the 3 power cube minus 3 of square. This is minus 10 into 3 plus 12 plus 12. So from the here, look at it here. 3 power 3 is what? This is the 27. This is the minus 9. This is the minus 30. This is the plus 12. Look at it here. This is the 27 and 12. This is the 39 and minus 39 equal to 0. It's mean our first one condition is okay. Show that x minus 3 is the factor of the f of x. So on the behalf of this one, x minus 3 is the factor of the above one equation, and solve the equation. After this, we are moving the solution of that one equation. The first one is okay. First one we are solving. Is there any problem from the first one? But here, you
No.
look at it here. This is the in another form, in order pair form, x minus 3 is equal to 0, but in the previous one example, here we have the x is equal to 2. Here we have the x is equal to 2, so we are directly put in our equation, in our function, in our problems. Here we are replacing x is equal to 2 is directly replacing, but here we are doing some extra step like this, like this. Why we are doing this step? Because this is the x minus 3. Here we are using the factor theorems. Okay, now we are moving to the our solution of that one equation. So x cube minus x square minus 10 of x plus 12 is equal to 0. So from here we take the x is square is common, x minus 1, and from here check it here. This gives us minus, if we are taking the minus 2, this is the 5 of x minus 6. So from here, check it here, our factorization method is fail. Our factorization method is fail. So what do you think, how we can solve it, this one equation?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, okay. Uh, So here from this one, you are using the synthetic division or polynomials of the equation. This is the next of the step one. We are also discuss it, but you just think, can we reduce it? Can we reduce it in this manner? Reduce to the our quadratic equation. Mhm.
Yeah, you can.
You can try it. How you can reduce it?
Can you try showing it to me first? Because I don't think I can do it.
Uh, so I'm saying you, can you try it? I'm giving you the
I'll
two.
try.
Okay. Can you try it? Okay. Can you try it?
I'm trying. Yeah, I'm trying. No, so I didn't get it. Can you tell me how?
Okay. Okay. Here, I'm linking it with the previous one example. In our previous sessions, here I'm writing the one step is for your understanding x minus 3. This is the already given uh, in our question. So x minus 3 is equal to uh, x square plus 2 of x minus 4 x square. You can check it. If we are multiplying this one, this is the x into x square plus 2 of x minus 4, and this is minus 3 into x square plus 2 of x minus 4. So this is the x cube, this is the 2 of x here, this is the minus 4 of x, and this is minus 3 of x here, minus 6 of x, minus 12. And look at it here, x cube is equal to, this is the minus of x here, minus of x square, and look at it here, this is minus 4 of x, minus 6 of x, this is the minus 10 of x, and this is look at it here, oh here we have mistake, this is minus, this is minus, this is the plus 12, so this is the
Yeah,
12. And look at it here, this one equation and this one is same or not?
it's the same thing. Yeah,
Same thing, but here the question is, one question is arises, how I am writing it,
yeah,
how? Again, I am repeating it. Yesterday, we are also discuss the problems regarding the multiplications, regarding the divisions, and regarding the in previous section. I'm just reminding you in yesterday sessions. Look at it here. If we are here, we have the x minus 3 is equal to a of x here plus b of x plus c. Can you remind it? We are writing this one, and this is we are
yeah,
saying let this is our equation is what? This is our x cube minus x here minus 10 of x plus 12. So when we are multiplying here, this is the a of x cube, and this is the b of x here, this is c of x, and when we are multiplying minus 3, this is the minus 3 a of x here, and minus 3b of x, and after this minus 3 of x. Now you can rearrange the equations, with the help of the a terms. You are writing the you are writing like something. This is the a of x cube, and x square terms. Here you have the plus x square. If we are taking the x square is common, b minus 3 of a, and when we are setting the x, so this is the plus of x, and we are setting this is c minus 3b, and this is the minus 3 c. So after this, we are compare with this one. So on the comparing with this equation, we are getting a is equal to 1, and b minus 3 is equal to, this is b minus 3 is equal to minus 1, and we are setting b minus 3, b minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1. So this gives us, this is b minus 3 is equal to 1. So this gives us 1 plus 3. So this is the b is equal to 4. Got it?
yes,
After this, look at it here. This is the c minus 3b. This is the c minus 3b is equal to, you can compare with this one, this is equal to minus of 10, and this is c minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 10, and this is the minus 12 is equal to minus of 10. So this is the 10 plus 12, this is the minus, so this is equal to 2. Okay, now look at it here. We are setting x is equal to minus 3. If we are putting these values, so check it at here. We have the x is equal, a is equal to 1. So in this one, a is equal to 1, we have the x here. When we are setting, this is the 4 of x, and this is the minus 2, and this is the 3 we are taking to the common. Can you understand it?
yes,
So this is the basically this one is the previous one example. Previous, if you are doing the previous work, you can understand this more deeply. If you are not understand, you can ask me in the question. I am here, and here I'm suggest you can work on it more. After this, we are discuss in the next session. If you feel this point is very hard or this example is very hard. Okay, here
Okay.
after this, look at it here. After this, I'm giving you the main clue points how this equation can be the make. Okay, now we are
Okay.
from this one, we have the x minus 3 is equal to 0. If we are taking, so x square plus 2 of x, this is equal to also equal to 0. So from the here, x is equal to 3. And one thing is, keep it in your mind, we are dealing with the cubic equation. So
Yeah.
cubic equation have the three solutions. If we are dealing with the quadratic equation, we have the solution is two solution, because quadratic equation. Due to the cubic equation, we have the three solutions. Okay, now from the here, look at it here. Uh, on this side, how we can solve it? This is in the, no, this our equation is converted from cubic to the quadratic equation. Our equation is converting from the cubic to the quadratic equation. And now, in our previous chapters, we are also dealing with the quadratic equation, and we have the three methods to solve it: completing square by formula and factorization. First of all, check it. Can we make the factors? This is the 4 multiplied by x square. This is minus 4 of x square, but the factors are not satisfied. So we are moving to the formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to minus of 4. So this is the formula is minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So this is the B is equal to what? This is minus 2 plus minus. Look at it here. B square, this is the 4 minus 4A of C. So into 1 into minus 4 divided by 2 of A. This is A 2 of A. So you can solve it. This is the minus 2 plus minus, and this is the 4, and this is minus plus. This is the plus of 16 divided by 2. Look at it here. This is the minus 2 plus minus 20 divided by 2. This is your, so first one is your answer, this one, and this is your two answer in plus and minus. Okay, got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Is there any confusion regarding this one problem?
No, sir.
Okay, then we are moving to the our next one problems. Same for these one problems. Look at it here. Work this systematically to find the linear factors. So how we can find the linear factor or solve the equation of this one, sketch the graph, and this is the absolute function, and absolute function has two types. This is plus and minus, and with the help of here you have the two graphs of this one. Here you are also make the graph, here you are also made the graph, and we are also discuss in first chapter how we can make the absolute function uh, graph of the absolute function like this type. But here we have the absolute function with respect to the cubic function, so maybe its graph will be the differ. Okay, its graph will be the
Okay.
its graph will be differ. So we are working on the someone. Look at it here. Works systematically to find the linear factor, to find the linear factor. So first of all, how we can find their linear factors? Our function is f of x is equal to x cube minus 5 of x cube minus 2 of x plus 24. If we are replacing f of x is equal to 1, this is 1 power 3, this is 1, this is minus 5, and this is minus 2, this is plus 24. Look at it here. This is 24 and this is 1 25. 25 minus 5, this is 20, and minus 18. this is does not equal to 0. You know, when we have the answer is equal to 0, then we are saying that this is the factor is okay. If we are setting f is equal to -1, so -1 power 3, and we are checking on the randomly all points until we have the 0 is equal to 0. This is the -1 plus this is the 24. So this gives us the -1, this is the -5, so this is the +2, this is the 24. From this one, look at it here on the behalf of this one, we are saying that this is also does not equal to 0. This is also does not equal to 0.
Yeah.
Okay. And if we are setting f is x is equal to -2, if we are setting f is equal to -2, this is -2 power 3, this is the 5 into -2 power 2, and -2 into -2, this is the 24. And check it here, this is the -8, this is -5, this is the plus of 4, and look at it here, this is the +4, this is the 24. So this is -8, this is -20. Look at it here, this is plus 28. Check it here, this is the
Yeah.
minus 8 plus 28. So this is equal to 0. So what is our linear factor? Our linear factor is, you can write it, our linear factor is x is equal to -2, or we are setting when this is in equation format, this is x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the factor. Got it?
Yes.
So solve equation. How you can solve this one equation?
I can try by doing
I'm giving you this some clue point. Look at it here. Same for the here we have the, what is our factor? Our factor is look at it here. We have the, our factor is x plus 2. So you can solve this one equation like this: x plus 2 into a of x square plus b of x plus c, and this is equal to the x power 3 minus 5 of x square minus 2 of x plus 24. Got it?
yeah, I'm doing it.
Okay. Then after this, look at it here. This is the related with the sketch. You can make like this one table. This is x and y. You are setting 0 at, you are setting in 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is the 24. And you know, when we are setting 1, this is equal to the -18. And when we are setting -1, this is also gives us from the -1. We can add it 24 plus 2, this is 26. 26 minus 6, this is the 20. Got it?
Yeah.
So on the behalf of this one, you can make the table, and after this, you have here you have the absolute, and you also explain it how you can make it. So is there any confusion regarding this one problem?
I'll do it. Soon. I'll try solving.
Yeah.